Hi guys, it's me Pinkiet, and today I am just super excited because I finally got the Smiggle Make Your Own Slime Kit. So, I'm just really happy and excited. It's pink, it has a slime monster on it, and you can make 2 slimes, and they're that size. And yeah, so at the side, says you can stretch it, make it, keep it, and knead it. And at the back it has some instructions. So without further ado, let's just bust this thing open and see what it comes with. In my area, this was sold out for ages. So if the same thing happened to you, grab it while it's in stock. It's worth it. So I can put this to the side, and here's the things it comes with. So it comes with 2 tubs, a pink and a purple, and it comes with a mixer and the 2 colored slime powders. So I'll take these out. I'm gonna be making both of them in this video. So yeah, it's glittery as well. Here's the pink slime packets. And the purple slime packet. I'll get the mixer now. I can put this over to the side. So, the first step says select a colored slime powder and cut open the bag. So I'm going to start with pink. So I'm going to cut this open. Let me get scissors. I'll just make sure all the slime powder is not going to go everywhere. Okay. That's the best I can do. Then step 2, pour all the slime powder into one of the containers provided. So, should have opened this before I did that. But, alright, I'm going to put this in. And then you add approximately 60 milliliters of water to the container. So I'm gonna go get some water, and then I got my water, and do a close up. And now I'm going to get the water in. Oh, I need to be really careful. Oh no. There we go. It's about 60 milliliters. Just add that. Okay. Now, I just mix for 5 to 10 minutes. So, whoa. It's very glittery, if you can see that. So let's start mixing. So I have been mixing, and it has turned very slimy. How cool is that? It's like all pink and glittery. Oh wow, wait. It's pokeable. Oh, this is so cool. And on the box it says, the more you play with your slime, the softer it will become. So, wait. Whoa. Guess I'll just keep playing with it. it will become really soft. It didn't take very long for it to slime. So now, oh wow. So this slime is really cool. I'm super happy with it. And it is just, wow. It's spreadable. It's kind of spreadable. This is really cool. So, that is the pink slime. What do you think? I think it's really cool. If you can see that. My hands are all glittery. So I'm just super happy with this. Oh, wow. It actually reminds me of the Smiggle unicorn slime. Like the way you can poke it. It's only less watery. Oh, wow. So that is the pink slime. And now I'm going to make, that just made that noise. Oh, silly is that? Okay. Now I'm going to seal this and I'm going to make the purple slime. So just put this packaging to the side. So the same as before. Just simply open it and cut open the packaging. And put it in. And get the water. Ugh. Okay, time to mix it up. This one, I have started mixing it, and as you can see, it's already been like about 5 minutes, and it's already starting to become very slimy. It's very sticky. So here is the purple slime. Get it out. And just like the pink one, it is really cool. And even while it's not quite finished, but you can't really mix it anymore, just like kind of knead it and play with it a little bit. It will be very sticky at this stage, but hey, your hands are still messy, so just kind of play with it. And this is really cool, and I do recommend this slime kit. And it is lots of fun. So it is very stretchy and very glittery, and it's rippable and sculptable. I don't even know if that's a word, but you can sculpt it into lots of shapes and squish it and play with it and do what you do with slime. And get some of this glitter off the spatula thing. Don't even know what this is like. called? Mixing tool, perhaps. But yeah, so I really love this slime. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me make slime with this Smiggle Slime Time kit. Get it while it's still at Smiggle before it sells out. And have fun making your own slime. I know I had lots of fun making it. So yeah guys, comment down below which one of these slimes is your favorite, the purple one or the pink one. I love both of them and they are both lots of fun and really cool. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. Bye!